How do I replace a electrical bottom bake element in a Fisher Paykel double oven top oven?
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. I thought you just asked this question and I answered it a second ago. But here is what I said. So these are not easy ovens to work on, I should know because I own one myself. The bake element is mounted below the blue ceramic floor, and the only way to access and replace it is to uninstall the entire double oven and then remove the back panel. You can pull the bake element out the back of the oven. That's the only way, and this oven is really heavy, 400 pounds or so you may need help removing it from the cabinet. Please remember that when you are asked to give a rating, you are rating my service and not this website itself or the problem of your appliance.
The oven aero bake element is burned out. The oven will not get to temperature when in bake mode. Would the bake element also be burned out? Thank you.
It's possible that the convection element behind the back panel inside the oven is just bad. If you remove all the racks and remove the side rack supports, you can then take out the screws going into the aero convection panel mounted to the back inside your oven. There is a round element around the convection fan blade, so turn the circuit breaker off, remove the convection element, and check the restistance of the element. If it's open, then replace it. If it checks good, then that bake element needs to be replaced, and that's much harder to access as I explained before.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.